Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Sharita and the name of my channel is Unique by Sharita. In today's video, I'll be decorating my living room, dining room, and entryway for fall. I'm pretty much just adding some pumpkins and a few of the items I recently purchased and I shared in the last two hauls. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing a table arrangement. And part of the table arrangement will include some old and newbies. And these aren't new. I picked these up from Hobby Lobby. And of course, their florals are 50% off. And I absolutely love those pumpkins on a stick. They were pretty popular last year. So I'm pretty sure they're going to be popular again this year. In this floral display, I'm just sticking everything where I want it to lay. I will not be securing it in place. I do have some wire trim that is used to do things like that, but I decided I'm not going to hold it in place this particular video, but I may do it in my next one. And always try to spread all of your floral arrangements out just so they can be a little more fuller. Now I'll be using some chargers as well as some plates that I already had. The only new purchase I have as far as my plates goes will be the cream black and gold ones. I purchased 2 sets of these napkins. I only used 4 the last time, so I'll need 6 this time. And these napkin rings, I only had 4, and I was able to find another set at Home Goods recently. And here's a close-up view of the plate setting. There's so many napkin ideas out here, but I'm just going to use a simple one and stick my flatware inside of it on the plate. I either purchased this stemware from Z Galleries or Home Goods. Either way, if they're still available on Z Gallery, I will share the link in the description. I've had them forever and I bring them out from time to time. So they are the silver champagne flutes. I do have a set of 4 in gold, and I actually have enough place settings to set this table for a table of 8, but I feel like 6 was plenty since it's really just a tablescape. This ginger jar is a new purchase. I recently shared it in a haul, as well as this bowl and the book. I also will be adding some pampas grass to the ginger jar. That's new for me because I don't really like the way it's shed. I did add some hairspray to it and it seems to be working. Added these pumpkins to this bowl, but I later took them out. It's a little too bright white, so I added some soft pumpkins that I already had later on in the video, and you'll see that later. Believe it or not, I have been using these ottomans to take off my shoes when I come home from work. Real simple. And I'm going to put my house shoes there because that's where they need to be, along with some socks, maybe. All right, so I'm going to continue on with cleaning and decorating this space. Some of the area I will do off camera, and I'll check back in with you all later. I'm just using my battery operated lint remover to remove the little lint balls off of my sofa. They're a little bit on the arms as well as the pillows. Today, I will be taking my time and removing all of the tags off my pillows. I hate removing tags, but I gotta do it. And here is the finished look. I don't have any art up right now because I do have my eyes on 2 art pieces. I do have to order them, and hopefully if I do, they will be here in the next week or so. All right, you guys, we are at the end of the video. Thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. Turn your notification on so you'll be notified when I post videos. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.